And I just so fucking lucky, you're my girl, girl, girl. And I would trade it for anything. No, no, not anything. And you. Yeah, I got a brand new Benz. Crazy, right? Brand new Benz. I got less miles on it than I do friends. Remember when we laid in you and Paige crib? Was there so long I couldn't pay rent. Remember when we couldn't get shit? Best thing about being broke is you don't spend shit. Remember that Christmas? We had a wish list. We couldn't afford nothing, but we still get shit. Ironically, those were the times I felt the richest. All the times that we spent by the pool, girl. Was too broke to even take it to the zoo, girl. Maybe it's because I had you, girl. Was thinking about when we went to London and Paris and gave each other times that we cherish. Remember when you saw the Eiffel Tower and you got so drunk, threw up, yep, you were so embarrassed. See, those are times I can't let go, I can't let go. Man, I hate to see you single in the club, looking for kisses and hugs, so you sipping on XO till I snatch you up like let's go. I would trade it for the world, world, world. And I just so fucking lucky, you're my girl, girl, girl. And I